Kitchen and bath remodeling services. Transform your home into a dream living space. Enhance functionality, aesthetics, and value with our kitchen and bath services. Our expert team delivers outstanding results tailored to your unique needs. From design to construction, we bring your dream kitchen and bathroom to life. With attention to detail, cutting-edge technology, and customer satisfaction as our priority, we guarantee to exceed your expectations. Schedule a consultation today and take the first step towards a beautiful home transformation. Transform your home with expert bathroom and kitchen remodeling. Ready to experience our top-notch remodeling services for bathrooms and kitchens. We specialize in creating stunning and functional spaces that enhance the beauty and value of your home. With our innovative design-build model, we seamlessly integrate the design, construction, and project management processes to deliver exceptional results. Revitalize your bathroom and turn it into a luxurious retreat. Our talented designers and craftsmen will work closely with you to bring your vision to life. Upgrade your kitchen and create a space that is both functional and stylish. Our design-build approach allows us to optimize your kitchen layout, maximizing efficiency and creating an inviting atmosphere. We offer a wide range of options for cabinetry, countertops, flooring, and appliances, allowing you to personalize your kitchen to suit your taste and lifestyle. With our expertise in space planning, lighting, and finishes, we will transform your kitchen into the heart of your home. You deserve the kitchen and bath renovation of your dreams. Why choose us as your kitchen and bath contractor? We believe in streamlining the remodeling process to make it efficient and stress-free for our clients. Our design-build model eliminates the need for multiple contractors and ensures seamless collaboration between our designers, architects, and construction team. From the initial concept to the final touches, we handle every aspect of your project, maintaining clear communication and delivering exceptional craftsmanship. Experienced professionals with a proven track record of successful remodeling projects. Creative design solutions tailored to your specific needs and preferences. Attention to detail and commitment to quality craftsmanship. Efficient project management, keeping your project on schedule and within budget. You have a dedicated project manager. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.